Let us understand the steps involved in finding doubling period of bacteria growth without calculator. I am Anil Kumar.
In this video, we have an application question based on exponential growth. Well, here is actually a test paper with 4 questions, but we are going to focus on the solution of question number 1, which is, there are 200 bacteria in a culture. In 18 minutes, there are 12,800 bacteria, 12,800 bacteria. Determine the doubling period of this bacteria culture. There are many questions. We are relating growth rate with doubling period or half period. So all these questions which you'll find are focusing on this particular aspect. So let's try to understand that. So we are given that there are 200 bacteria. So let's say the initial population, we'll write P0 as initial population as 200. In 18 minutes, there are 12,800 bacteria. So when T is equals to 18 minutes, then the population, so let me write this as P18 is equal to 12,800. Determine doubling period of this bacteria culture. So we want doubling period D. So since the population is growing, we can write this as an exponential function. P is equals to the initial population. And we are interested in doubling period. So
It doubles means
2, right? 2 times. 2 times doubling period in D hours. In this case, in D minutes, it becomes double. So the expression will be T over D. So that is the formula.
correct?
We know a couple of things, and the only unknown here is to find D, the doubling period, right? And that too will be in minutes. So let's substitute the values. We have the initial population 200, and at T equals to 18, we have 12,800. So we can write 12,800 that is equals to 200 times 2 over time of 18 minutes, and D, what we need to find, doubling period. Correct. Let's rearrange. So 12,800 divided by 200 is equal to 2 to the power of 18 over D. Simplify the expression. Correct. Dividing by 2, we get 64, right? So we'll rewrite this as, on the left hand side, 128 divided by 2 is 64, and that is equal to 2 to the power of 18 over D, the doubling period. Now 64 can be written as 2 to the power of what? Tell me. And that should be equal to 18 over D. Makes sense, right? So 2 to the power of 6 is 64, right? So that clearly means that 6 should be equal to 18 over D. Makes sense? So that is how we approach this particular question, or any question which is based on doubling time or half time period. And now let me write down the final solution. So D cross multiply is 18 divided by 6, and D is equal to 3. So that means 3 minutes, right? So in this particular case, we say that the doubling period is 3 minutes. So I hope you could connect it easily and understand the particular solution. Now that should help you to answer the rest of the questions here, which are very similar. Now, in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. In the playlist, you'll find many more examples, including the solutions of these questions also. All the best and thanks for your time.